Hello, good morning, everyone. So, see you on March 8th, 4 p.m. onwards for our parameters and plant care for hydroponics farming. So, welcome, and there will be more discussions and learning as we discuss on the fundamental principles and strategies in order for our crops and plants to thrive in a controlled environment. If you haven't yet attended our survey forms or have not yet answered the survey forms, please answer our survey forms. For that means it would help us a lot in terms of identifying some of the crucial strategic needs for future intervention as a community. Thank you for supporting our mission, and we may be able to educate more community to embrace uh, to embrace um, technology innovation application in our farming. Good morning, everyone. This is Renz, founder of Plantbugs Innovation. Hope to see you this March 8th.